Hello guys, this is gonna be a quick tip video how to remove a steering wheel, airbag and clock spring. Actually this is a whole module assembly. There is no screws involved here. You can't replace any of this individually. So in order to remove the airbag, which has to come out first, we have these little holes here, and through these little holes there is no actual hole there. It's just a little dimple there to show you where to put the screwdriver in, just a little pocket screwdriver. And I don't know if you guys can see where the tip of the screwdriver is, but you have to push in the spring that retains the airbag in place, and you will feel almost right away that you're pushing on a spring, and kind of like an angle like so. It will spring rather soft kind of a feel. If it's not springing, then you're not pushing on the right place. It pops out almost right away once you hit the spring on the right place. Then we have this connector to disconnect, and then the airbag connector, and then the steering wheel is held by one big Allen bolt, and then this just pops out. And the only thing that it has to be unclipped is this kind of a leather cover that clips onto the module. And then there is a connector on the back, and that's it. Not much to it. When you know how it's put together, I went through all data and some other places, and it's very unclear information of how to replace the clock spring on these cars. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.